Your bio on your Upwork profile tells your clients everything that they need to know about you. So it's extremely important to make sure that it speaks to your client and tells them exactly what they need to know. What you want to do is jump into your dashboard. On the right, you'll find your name. You're going to go up, click on your name, you'll end up on this page. Now there's a little pencil icon just next to basically every section in your profile, and just over here you can see that is the pencil icon we are looking for. This is your bio, this is your profile overview. This basically tells your client who you are, what kind of work you do, what standards you hold, and what type of person you are. So what you want to do here is write in a sense where you can portray who you are and what kind of work you do. And this is kind of like an individual sort of situation where you need to gauge the type of clients that you are wanting to target, because in my opinion, there have been two types of clients that I've worked with in the past. The first one writes really long descriptions for their job posts, and they give you a lot of detail up front, and therefore I feel as if they have the time to read through a long bio or profile overview when they're looking for a freelancer. So I think that that's one type of client. The other type of client is somebody that gives you minimal detail. They run a tight schedule and they don't have time to read through long bios. You have to figure out which one of those clients is your target market. Okay, you need to figure out which one you want to appeal to. So what you're going to do is jump into the section over here, and it should be pretty much populated if you already have a profile. And what you want to do is just start and write a very short introduction. Okay, you can see I've got a very short introduction here. I also want to say that this is something that needs to be updated regularly. You don't have to do it every day. You can maybe do it once a month, once every 3 months. That's kind of like a good time frame to work with. You can see here that I've also listed everything that I do, because I do more than one type of work. So I have video production, and I've written a short introduction as to what I do, what it means, and then I also list 1 or 2 items that I actually specialize in. And then I go down and I do that for every type of work that I do. So I've got content writing, I've got voiceovers, I've got translation, transcription. And what you can do is even start to add the type of software that you use, because specifically for a video editor, somebody may need you to use a specific type of editor. Let's say it's DaVinci, let's say that it's Adobe. They want you to use that, and they won't hire anybody that doesn't know how to use it. So you can put that in there. If you're a graphic designer, you want to make sure that you're listing the types of software that you use for graphic design and so forth. What software are you proficient in? Those are the items that you want to add in here. Now, this does not have to be self-written. Let me give you a small tip. I use Perplexity AI. You can also use ChatGPT. Basically, you can write something and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it for you, and then what you need to do is rewrite it after that, so that it's personalized and it's according to your standards, and it's not just copy pasted as written by ChatGPT, because that's not what you want. You want to personalize it. The maximum character limit here, I think, is 5,000. So you've got quite a bit of space to actually write, but make sure that you are just putting forth what you need to. The extra fluff, I think, is completely unnecessary. And depending on the type of work that you do, as I mentioned, and the type of client that you're looking to target, make sure that you kind of tailor this profile overview or bio for that specific person. So if you know that they're going to lead a busy schedule, so make sure your profile overview is short, concise, straight to the point, and it also shows the type of person you are. You don't like to dilly-dally, you like to get straight to it and get the job done. So that is the best way that I can describe to you on how to create a profile overview. Once you are done, do not forget to click the save button. Once you click the save button, it is saved. You can always edit it later on, and as you can see, I've used some emojis. It's, all up to you. You can do this as you please. It's got to be your work, and it can't just be like a copy-paste situation. So if you want to learn more about Upwork, you can go ahead and click on this video over here, and then we'll meet you over there and we'll discuss all of those details.